Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be decorating my weekly spread in my horizontal journal. And let's see, today is Monday, March 29th. So if you've already seen this plan with me, it was filmed last week. And this week is, or the one that we are decorating for, is April 5th through the 11th. I'm going to be using spring florals from Live Love Posh, the functional sticker book that came in the latest Floral Be Happy box, and Stephanie Fleming's Happy Goals sticker book. So I think I'm just mainly going to be doing pretty bright flowers with some black boxes. And so if you haven't been watching any of my other videos, I do, right now I have COVID, so I'm on day 5. That's why I sound so stuffy. And I'm just trying to get these videos filmed for you guys so that I can continue having content. So just bear with me as my voice is pretty hoarse and I'm all stuffed up. So I'm going to try to stick with what I said last week in my horizontal plan with me. I'm going to try my best to not do a whole lot of sticker cutting. I'm going to just try to keep it simple. So I think I'm going to layer this long black box with this pretty flower. And I am going to white out the dark black lines behind here, just because that bothers me. So I'm not going to like trim off this sticker where I can probably see it behind the box, but I am going to get rid of the black lines. I've just got to get this lined up the way I want it. Okay, I think that's fairly straight. So I'm going to use my Tombow Mono correction tape, and I always forget to tell you guys, but like the tools, the washi, tweezers, things like that I use, I do have Amazon affiliate links that I usually list down in the description box of my videos. So if you see me using something and you're curious as to what it is or where it came from, check the description box down below, and there's probably going to be a link for it down there. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is just layer some different shapes. I just kind of want to create cute little layering effect with a bunch of different shapes. And so I don't want to do like all lined or blank. I want to combine lined boxes with blank boxes and then dot grid. And so you can see all of those black lines behind these boxes. I think I am going to white those out just because this is my writing space, and you know, I want to be able to see my writing and not be distracted by the lines behind it. So there's that, and then we're going to get rid of this one all the way, and then we're going to get rid of this one. And this planner has some really dark lines in it, which I appreciate because it is neutral. So it's just very dark, so I like to white them out, and see now they're gone. So that makes for a much cleaner writing space. Alright, and then the only other things I'm going to do is just add a couple of florals down here, just to kind of have some cuteness on the page. So I think I'm going to kind of combine a couple, let's see, let's put this one behind these two and make just like a little bouquet, if you would even call it a bouquet. Yeah, I guess you would. You can barely see that green back there, but that's okay. And then I've got this purple one as well. I think I'm going to move that blue one out just a tad. This is what I love about the wax paper. It makes it so easy to move stickers. Okay, that's cute. All right, and then I'm going to use now. So the only thing that I really use out of the Happy Goals sticker book are a couple of quotes. And so this one says, "Time to thrive." So hopefully this time next week, which will be a week from today, I will be thriving again and over COVID. We will see. But I thought that that little quote would be perfect to go there. And then I have this little quote or little header that says, "Love this." And so I thought maybe I could just put a little something cute here that I'm loving currently. And so that's cute. That's pretty basic, but it's very cute. So let's move to the other side here. So this is what I've chosen for this side. We're going to start with this corner. This wax paper is not forgiving, so if you pre-plan your stickers like I do, make sure you're very gentle with them when you go to pull them off the wax paper, especially if they're paper stickers, because paper stickers are not forgiving at all. Alright, now this one, this little quote says, "Persistence, not perfection," and I love this quote. We do not aim for perfection. We aim to be persistent. That is so cute. Okay. And I think that goes good down there at the bottom. Now, I'm going to do the same kind of little cluster over here on this page that I did on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to kind of mirror it, but I'm going to mirror it opposite, if that makes sense. So we're going to go up. So we'll go this way. And then I think we're going to do this. And then put the circle. How about that? No. Let's go a little bit different route. Oops, I ripped my page, but that's okay. We're going to go this way. And I am going to white out that black line back there. Or at least I think I am. We'll see in just a minute. I think I want to lay this over top. Maybe right here. And then put this over top of those. Yeah, that looks much better to me. Okay, so let's white these lines out real quick. And we're going to lay down a couple more florals, and then this spread is going to be done. This horizontal layout is quickly become my favorite layout to decorate. It is so easy to decorate, y'all. It just works for my brain. Alright. And then let's put the circle back on top and white out these boxes. This is so cute. I like this little layering effect of the different shapes. Okay, now let's put a couple florals in here. And I think I'm going to just stick this one behind. I think I'm going to cut this one. Oh, I got sticker pieces everywhere. So we're going to cut this one and like put it behind this longer box. And I just cut it so that I can use some other pieces somewhere else. Okay, and now we can use this piece right here to make it look like the flower is continuing behind that box. And then we're going to take this one and put it behind here. And so this is just my journal, so I don't need a ton of writing room. And if I run out of room, it's just a journal, so it would be okay. I can continue on to the next days. And so then to mimic this side that says love this, we are going to use a noted sticker. Just not sure where I want it. Kind of thinking I want to put it over here. If I could just put it straight, that would be great. Okay, so I'm thinking that I'm done, except I do want to get rid of this little bit of white that's covering up this black line here. It's bothering me just a tad, so see if we can't just get rid of that real quick. Make these little simple cuts. I am trying to be better about cutting straight lines now. So we'll see if I can't get better at it as I go. Okay, to me that just looks better to keep that sticker inside the box there. Alright, so let's put this back in my planner. If you guys aren't following me over on Instagram, I hope you'll follow me over there. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell there, change your notification settings. And this is it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.